Well, no. Hi, my name is Dr. Barry Triestman. Today we're going to talk about hamstring stretches for low back pain, sciatica, disc injuries like herniations and bulges, hamstring strains, and also things further down our leg or the kinetic chain like Achilles strains, Achilles tendinosis or tendinitis, calf strains, plantar fasciitis, and heel spurs, because they're all connected by fascia. Some stretching tips. When you stretch, you want to make sure that you are getting a stretch. It should be not too severe and not too mild. It should be enough where you feel the stretch and you feel like you can relax the muscle. That's where you need to be. So we're going to use my friend here, the skeleton, to do that. We see that the hamstring muscle goes from the pelvis to the knee, and it actually inserts on the ischial tuberosity, our sit bone, right here, and it goes down to the shin bone or the tibia just below the knee. And so how we stretch it is that we bend the hip with the knee straight until we feel that tension. And generally we're going to feel that tension here in the upper part of the hamstrings when we do the stretch with the knee straight. The second way to do the hamstring stretch is to bend the knee, give yourself a little bit more hip flexion, and then straighten the knee, and that will enable us to get the stretch further in the lower part, further down in the lower part of the hamstring here. We're going to do the stretches in two different ways. One way, we're going to go into a doorway, and this is generally going to be done when we are more acute or irritated. And the reason that it is helpful is that it really lets us relax and just kind of let gravity do its thing, and we don't really have to have any muscular effort, which is important in that phase. As we get better, we'll use a strap and we'll do the strap stretch. So how we do the door stretch is we put one leg up so that it is laying on the door jamb and the other leg goes straight through the door. And you will have to switch sides to do the legs, and you want to make sure that both legs are going one up and one down. So that's the doorway stretch. Now the strap stretch. So what we're going to do is we're going to take and put the strap in the arch of the foot, and then we're going to bring the leg up. And then what you want to do is you want to get your hands inside the strap and then wrap them around. And the reason that we do that is that the more contact area you have with your hands, the less work you're going to have to do. You want to end up with a slight bend in the elbow, not a big bend. And then you're just going to pull the leg up until you feel tension in the hamstring, and then you're going to hang out for a minute, which is about 16 breaths. After you've done the stretch here, which is the general hamstring stretch, we're going to put the strap in the hand that's on the same side as the leg you're stretching. You're going to let the leg come down a little bit and then come out to the side and then bring the leg up. And what you want to make sure is that you don't let the pelvis lift up in the air, that everything stays nice and stable. So what you don't want to let happen is that motion. You want to make sure that the pelvis stays stuck to the table on that opposite side. So again, you're going to stay here for a minute, and then you're going to bring the leg down, bring the leg across, and then switch your hands. And now you're going to bring the leg up. And what you're going to feel is you're going to feel the lateral part of the hamstring stretch here. And again, you'll do this for a minute. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you get a lot out of it, you practice, and you rewatch it. Have a great day.